Rannaghar is a cookery show which airs on Zee Bangla. It premiered in the year 2005, making it the longest-running Bengali television series till date. The show is hosted by Aparajita Auddy beginning from March 2018, while before that the show was primarily hosted by Sudipa Chatterjee. Sometimes in the episodes have also been hosted by other personalities such as Sonali Chowdhury, Sneha Chatterjee Bhowmik and Manali Day. It is the third longest-running Indian television series. Rules: every day a person is invited to the show who prepares of certain item delicacy. The show helps people to learn the recipes of new and some traditional food items. Guest appearances: many eminent figures of Bengal including Rajanarayan Deb, Sudipa Chatterjee, Tanushree Chakraborty, Usha Uthap and others have appeared in the show. References: